Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. So glad you could be here on the English Makes No Sense YouTube channel. It is I, SL Rockfish, your happy hostess. And today I'm going to take a look at a request. I got we're versus were. But before we get started, let me tell you that if you like what you see, hit subscribe. And if you're returning, thank you for being here. And if you're new, thank you for being here. Let's get started. W-E-apostrophe-R-E. We're or were. It's pronounced both ways. Huh? Yeah, I know. We're or were. Then W-E-R-E is pronounced were. Were. But you said this one's pronounced were. It can be, but it also can be pronounced we're. But this one is always were. Now, W-E-apostrophe-R-E is we're or were, a contraction of we are. We take the words we and are, we drop the A, and we put an apostrophe, and now we have we're or were. Let me show you what I mean. We're happy to see you. We're happy to see you. See, some people just, when they pronounce like, hey, we're happy to see you. That means we are happy to see you, or we're happy to see you. Same thing, same word. People just pronounce it differently, at least here in the United States. Now, W-E-R-E is the past tense of the verb are, which is up here before I erased it. We are. So the past tense of are. And you know what the past tense of are is. You were, we were, they were. What were we? We were very confused until now, I hope. Let's review. W-E-apostrophe-R-E is short for we are. W-E-R-E is the past tense of are. For example, you were, we were, they were. I hope that this helps. Why are they so close yet so confusing? And why do we even need a contraction when we are is short enough? I don't know, but now you can read and understand these two sentences, I hope. Are you ready? We're so glad you came. Were you happy to be here? What? Come on, English. Let me read it one more time. We're so glad you came. Were you happy to be here? Or you could say, we're so glad you came. Were you happy to be here? This pronunciation can go we're or were. This apostrophe in writing makes everyone know that this is we are. And now, this right here is always pronounced were. Hope this helps. Peace, friends.